Hello, today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks to help you win at the game called Numbrle. Now Numbrle, which is a app on my tablet here, it's available in the Google Play Store. So basically it's exactly like Wordle, except that you use numbers instead of letters, and rather than actually try to find words, you just try to find out the five-digit number. So just to start then, I like to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hit enter. And you can see there that the yellow means that 1, 2, and 3 are in the answer, but they're just in the wrong spot. So now I'm going to try the remaining 5 digits, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I've got 9 as well. So this covers all the numbers. So those two guesses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, have covered all the numbers. So I know that 1, 2, 3, and 9 are going to feature in the answer. And obviously if I got a green number, that would be in the right spot, but the yellow means it's the right number but in the wrong spot. So Numbrle is kind of harder than Wordle, because Wordle you're looking for a particular 5-letter word. However, Numbrle is just a random collection of 5 numbers, and it's possible that those numbers can be used more than once, which is what's going to happen in this case. So what I'll do then, I've just got to try some different combinations. So 9, I might do 1, 2, 3, and 1. I haven't used any of those numbers in the same location twice, so we'll see what happens here. Oh, that's good. I've got 1, 2, 3 are in the right spot, but 9's in the wrong spot, and then I don't get a yellow on that 1, so it's going to be a different combination. So let's have a look. 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. 9 can't be there, so 9's got to be at the end, and the 1, 2, and 3 are in the right spot. So let's try that and see if I got it. Oh, there we go. I've got the answer. And there we go, it's asking me to click the result to share with the world. So there we go. It's a good game. If you enjoy Wordle, then you can do this fairly similar with numbers rather than words, and to work out the random 5-digit number that is the answer. So there we go. That's it. That is Numbrle. Okay. Well, thanks for watching, and good luck.